barbecue fam. Today we're doing up some smoked shotgun shells. Oh hell yeah, on a char griller Gravity 980. Oh, check this out. So you're gonna want to get your manicotti, that is, and then some good sausage from your local. And I'm using sweet Italian sausage here, and then a smoked gouda. I'm gonna stuff in the middle of these. So you're doing 1/3 on one side sausage, 1/3 basically a cube of gouda, and then another third of sausage, and then you're gonna wrap that in bacon. Oh hell yeah. And then you top it with whatever rub you like. I'm using Uncle Steve's smoke bomb, and then we're putting it on the smoker for a good hour and a half at 275, 325, in between there. And then we're going to be basting this with some barbecue sauce, and we're using the Cosmos OPX1. Oh hell yeah. Now I found I had to turn up the temp on these shotgun shells. I went up to 375, and we went for a good hour and 15 minutes. And then I hit it up with some barbecue sauce, and then I rolled them around after about 10 minutes, hit it with some more barbecue sauce to make sure this manicotti is nice and soft. We want a nice shotgun shell. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
Let's cut into one of these shotgun shells. Oh hell yeah. We got a loaded up shell. Oh hell yeah. Let's get a taste test of this bad boy.
I said give me a hell yeah!
I mean, come on. That is rocking. Hell yeah. That's rocking. Damn straight. Plus, it's a local sausage. Nostalgic. Buddha sausage. Oh hell yeah. It's cold as hell here in upstate New York, but these shotgun shells are hot as hell, and they're tasty as all hell. So go get yourself some. Make them easy to do. God damn. Easy and delicious. It's just like making a jalapeno popper, and made me think I should be sliding in some jalapeno slices in with that sausage. Damn straight. Oh hell yeah. That's the next time. First time doing them. This is awesome. They're so damn good. Come on. On top of the shotgun shells, I did some extras. I did some yellow squash, chicken breasts, a little bit of sausage patties because there was a little bit of extra sausage. Why not? And this grill was nice and full. Anyway, folks, get out there, get on your grill, smoker, no matter what time of year it is. It's 15 degrees here in upstate New York, but I'm in the barbecue shack. Oh hell yeah. Got a little bit of heat, got some exhaust fans. We're good to go. These were good as all hell, and I'll be doing them again this summer for sure. Easy, and like, it's totally game time food. It's a party favorite. I guarantee it. I'll find out when I go inside. Oh hell yeah. Guys, get out there and make yourself some smoked shotgun shells. Easy to do. You got an hour and a half on your hand. Actually, probably 2 hours. Half hour putting them together. It does take a little bit of time, but you stuff that sausage in, cheese, wrap it in bacon, hit it with a little bit of rub, and then you're going to be smoking them at I'd say 350. I started at 275 and I bumped it up quickly. And I went to 350, 375. 1 hour, and then you hit it with barbecue sauce, roll it around after 10 minutes, hit it with some more barbecue sauce on the other side, another 10 minutes, let them rest, 5-10 minutes, till you can eat them some guns. Oh hell yeah, shotgun shells on the Char Griller 980.
I said give me a hell yeah!
It is cold as hell, but these shotgun shells will rock you. They're hot, they're tasty, and they are delivering. What? And on top of this grill was nice and full. That's the way you want to do it when you got a lot of people to feed. When you got a lot of people to feed. Well, yeah. There's a train coming. I can hear it. It's annoying. I guess this was a TikTok recipe. I don't use TikTok, but I did jump on because I just saw Tommy's recipe over there at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue. Oh, hell yeah, Tommy. Those looking rocking. That's why I had to do these. And I did a little research, and I saw a recipe in Germany way back, over like 6 years ago, way before TikTok was even thought of. Anyway, same idea, but they did a little American cheese around it to make it look like the slug part of the shell. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And I was telling Tommy about when I was a kid in school, we made Christmas ornaments. The Nutcracker with a shotgun shell. You couldn't do that today, but that was the late 80s.